Good morning, boys and girls. This is your teacher, Mrs. Moore. And this morning we are ready to learn. So remember, we're going to start by singing our favorite song. All right? Which one should we sing this morning? All right, let's make one. All right, ready? Here comes SH on a pony, riding on a big fat pony. Here comes SH on a pony, this is what she told me. Shh, 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 my baby, shh, 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 my baby, shh, 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 my baby, this is what she told me. Alright, so that is telling you that today we're going to be looking at S and H. And S and H says shh. Alright, let's go. So today is Tuesday. Can you see the word Tuesday? Today is Tuesday. We are in the month of May. And today, May is 12 days old. And we are in the month of 2020. And it says we're going to be doing words that end with S and H. And remember, S and H says shh. That means S and H is at the last part of the word. Now I have some items here on the floor, and we're going to be starting with this one. If you look at this one, this item, you are going to say that this is a piece of paper. But I can do something with the paper. Look what I'm doing with the paper. What did I just do with the paper? Let me write it for you. C-R-U-S-H. I just crushed the paper. And crush as S and H at the end. Let's move over to this one. Everybody should know this one. This is something that mommy has in the house. Mommy uses it to wash. So what mommy uses it to do? She uses it to wash. She uses it to wash, and wash as S and H at the end. But the name of this item is a brush. Look at it. B-R-U-S-H, brush. Right? So that is a brush. We don't want to write this one yet. I was just going to tell you what we use it to do. But so we have crush and brush. And let's say this is mommy, and she has her basin with her soap and water. What can she use this to do? She can use it to wash. So you see how many things mommy can use to wash? She can use the brush, and she can use the soap and the basin and the water to wash. And wash as S and H at the end. Let's come over here to this one. Now you will see mommy and daddy have this in the purse and the wallet. And you are saying, oh, it's money. Yes, it is money. But what is it? There's another name for money, and we call it cash. C-A-S-H for cash, and cash ends with S and H. Now look at this. What is this? It's a car, right? Car don't end with S and H, but I can do something with the car that ends with S and H. Look at this, what I'm gonna do. What did I just do? I pushed the car. So we can have push. The action is to push. Ends with S and H. So we can push the car. Alright? If you move over here, you will see this and you say, what teacher doing with that in our house? But look at it. This, when you see it outside, we call this trash. T-R-A-S-H. Trash, and trash as S and H at the end. Now here I have some more. Look at this. And you would call this bush. B-U-S-H, bush, and bush as S and H at the end. And this part, look at this, is a strainer that mommy used when she mixed in the juice and she wants to get rid of this trash, right? But this part of the strainer is called a mesh. M-E-S-H, mesh, and mesh as S and H at the end. Now if you look over here, you will see teacher with another car. Why teacher have two cars though? There's something I can do with both cars that that ends with S and H. So let us say that you're driving on the road. Two cars driving on the road and they're going too fast and they're coming at each other. And look what happened. What do you think just happened? Let's do that again. They're coming at each other and they maybe turn over. What just happened? The cars crashed. So we call the action crash. And crash as S and H at the end. So you see, there are so many things we can find with S and H at the end. Let's go through them again. We can crush the paper. We use a brush. We use the basin with the soap and the water to wash. Then we call the money cash. And you can use the car to push the car, right? And then we have trash. Then if you come over here, you will see these, you'll see outside, and we call them bush. And this part of mommy's trainer is called a mesh. And finally, if the two cars should bump into each other, maybe they'll turn over, we say it's a crash. And there you have it, boys and girls. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 words that ends with S and H. So I want 10 words. So you are going to tell me one word that ends with S and H. Thank you.